Today I'm going to be talking about mixture and solution and doing an experiment. Before we do the experiment, let's talk about mixture and solution. First, I'm going to be talking about mixture. A mixture is two or more things. When you add them together, they do not combine. However, solution, two or more things can combine and you create something new. Whereas a mixture cannot create something new. Now let's start the experiment. I have 3 bowls. First is with Skittles and M&Ms. Next is peanuts. And the last is almonds. Let's first put the Skittles and M&Ms. And now let's put the peanuts. Now I'm gonna go mix them. Do you see, when I mix them, each of these foods are not changing their shape and color and sizes. And I can easily separate them with my trusty spoon. Okay, now let's move into solution. First, you first take water. You could take sugar or salt, but I just took sugar. Pour in the sugar in the water. Okay, and I'm gonna put a third ingredient. Skittles and M&Ms. Okay, I think this is good. And now I'm gonna mix them. So in a mixture, you can separate them easily. Whereas in solution, you cannot separate them because sugar and Skittles will dissolve in water. And in my M&M, this red M&M is changing its color. I'll show you. Here. You see, it's slowly becoming white. And when I keep on mixing them, the color changes faster. Since the sugar and Skittles are dissolved in the water, new solution is created. As you can see, the color has now changed into orange and a new solution has been formed. This is the difference between mixture and solution. A new substance has not been created here, but a new substance has been created here. This is my Venn diagram, and I'm going to be telling you a little bit more about solution and mixture. Let's start with solution first. A new substance is created, cannot be separated, do not keep their physical properties. And in mixture, no new substance is created, can be separated, and keep their physical properties like size, shape, and color. Common both are mixtures, can be found everywhere. 2 or more substances can create this. This is all about mixture versus solution.